Hi guys, in front of me is Galaxy S8 Plus, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first open your phone dialer, then pick the contact that you would like to customize, select Info, and here click on Edit. And now tap on this camera icon, which is for add a photo, and you can either pick one from default pictures here, or you can grab your own photo. So you can click on camera and take a picture right now, or choose something from your gallery. Let me pick, for example, this one. And now let's add this picture, this Spider-Man, as Timmy profile picture. Click on done, and then all you have to do is to click on save. And that's it. From now on, this profile picture is assigned to Timmy, so anytime he will be calling you, you'll be able to see this profile picture at first. It will also be displayed in your contact list. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.